A disclaimer, I am not a worker at the Island Traffic Authority or Tax Administration. These steps are based on my own experience.
Adeki boo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What me make for you? Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it, so the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video for support the channel that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Subscribe and watch till the end. Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If y'all clicked on this video, y'all must be wondering how to get your learner's license in Jamaica. So today's post notification shout out goes out to Ikena Betune. So y'all don't need to worry. I go tell you now how to get on a learner's license in Jamaica. Yeah. So first up, you have to be 17 years or older. No younger. So if you're younger than this, what about your business? You know, I'm just kidding. Y'all gotta prepare for when you're 17 years or older. Yes, you have to be 17 years or older. Normally, you would have to get the application form at the Island Traffic Depot. Yeah. When I went, I didn't go somewhere before. You have to know, because COVID-19, you have to fill out, you have to like email them. It's driver's license at something. I'm gonna put it somewhere here so you guys can know. You have to email them. When you email them, they're gonna tell you to send your TRN, your name, the date you want to make your appointment, and where you want to make your appointment, like which depot. Yes, so after that now they're gonna set the date, email you back and tell you, come this and this day. Alright, so for me, I went on a specific day that actually the branch that I went, they didn't do it at that day, but luckily someone felt sorry for me, because the head office sent me there, but they wasn't doing it. But I got through in the afternoon. Alright, so first off, you're gonna need 3 passport size pictures signed and stamped, yes, by a JP, Ministry of Religion, police, superintendent. Yeah. You're gonna need your ID. That can be either your birth certificate or government issued ID, like a electoral ID, passport, passport. Yeah. You're gonna need your TRN, of course. You're gonna need $1,800, but the $1,800 basically, you're gonna go and you're gonna do the test. You're gonna do a road code test and thing. Yeah, it's multiple choice. Basically, first of all, you're gonna need this book. I'm gonna go for the book and come back. Let me show you the book. Alright guys, this is the book that you need. Yes, this book will get you your learners. This book educates you, because me never know nothing about road and slip road and all sort of thing. But this book, the Jamaican Driver's Guide, Road Code Edition, pass your driving test. Yes, this book aid in helping me. Yeah, so first off, you have to buy the book before you even. Should I tell you this before? You gotta buy the book before you go to do the test. You gotta buy the book. You gotta learn something. Okay, so afterwards you're gonna do the test. When you complete the test, for me, they sent me home and said they're gonna give me a call around 5 o'clock them time there and tell me if I pass the test. If and only if you pass the test, you are going to get the chance to collect your learner's permit. But you're gonna get it. You're gonna have to pay at least $1,800. Go to the tax office with the receipt that was given to you. Basically you have to go back. Yes, you have to go back for that receipt, because after you do the test, the receipt, you're gonna get an envelope, a sealed envelope, which says like you pass the test. You have to go back to the depot for that single paper. Yes, I went through a lot. You have to go back for that. Then you go to the tax admin with it and pay the $1,800 and just wait, and then you end up getting your learner's permit. Yes, and learner's permit lasts for 1 year, so you must make sure that you get enough practice to go and do your driver's license before it's up, because 1 year fly past. Yes, so guys, that's just it for my little short video. Nothing too long, because say why make a video so long for just tell one simple something. Yes, so guys, anyways, that's it for my video. Okay, so let me give a shout out to K&A something and other. I'll put it over here because the person asked me to give them a shout out from a good while, but the brain. Yeah, so go and subscribe to their channel. Yes, go and subscribe to their channel, and also subscribe to a cup of tea channel. Yeah, of course, me have a big girl up here, my cousin. Make sure to go over our channel and subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, and subscribe to this channel too, because we're on a roll. We are the Booze. Yeah, guys, I get a name for me. Name Booze. Yeah, I'm Becky Boo, of course. Yeah, Booze. Chat too much now, right? Yeah, so guys, bye. Love you.